Hey everyone! In today's video, we're exploring all types of chairs, their names in English, and matching pictures to help you easily identify each one. From cozy armchairs to stylish bar stools, we've got you covered. Let's jump in. Wheelchair. Wheelchair. High chair. High chair. Throne. Throne. Rocking chair. Rocking chair. Ball chair. Ball chair. Armchair. Armchair. Deck chair. Deck chair. Swivel chair. Swivel chair. Cantilever chair. Cantilever chair. Hanging chair. Hanging chair. Ladderback chair. Ladderback chair. Director's chair. Director's chair. Adirondack chair. Adirondack chair. Egg chair. Egg chair. Beanbag chair. Beanbag chair. Barber chair. Barber chair. Windsor chair. Windsor chair. Club chair. Club chair. Stool. Stool. Tulip chair. Tulip chair. Recliner. Recliner. Side chair. Side chair. Lounge chair. Lounge chair. Pushchair. Pushchair. Sofa. Sofa. Wishbone chair. Wishbone chair. Park bench. Park bench. Visitor chair. Visitor chair. Cafe chair. Cafe chair. Executive chair. Executive chair. Love seat. Love seat. Settee. Settee. Massage chair. Massage chair. Papasan chair. Papasan chair. Task chair. Task chair. Slipper chair. Slipper chair. Wingback chair. Wingback chair. Gaming chair. Gaming chair. Chase lounge. Chase lounge. Bar stool. Bar stool. folding chair, folding chair. Office chair, office chair. Dining chair, dining chair. Regular chair, regular chair. Boss chair, boss chair. Student chair, student chair. Surgeon chair, surgeon chair. Dental chair, dental chair. Waiting chair, waiting chair. Bowl chair, bowl chair. Hair wash chair, hair wash chair. Butterfly chair, butterfly chair. Hoop chair, hoop chair. Nesting chair, nesting chair. Ghost chair, ghost chair. Ribbon chair, ribbon chair. Saddle chair, saddle chair. Conference chair, conference chair. Pod chair, pod chair. Quilt chair, quilt chair. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about all the different types of chairs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Drop a comment below with your favorite chair style, and I'll see you in the next video.